Sarah Turner, shark trainer. Sarah Turner has an unusual job. She trains sharks at the Sea Life Centre. We asked Sarah a few questions to find out more about her job. Why did you become a shark trainer?
I've always loved sharks. They're amazing creatures and they're very clever. Lots of people are scared of them, of course. I want to learn more about them so that I can teach people not to be scared.
What do you do at work?
I usually feed, study and train the sharks here at the Sea Life Centre. The sharks live in huge tanks. I also study sharks in their natural habitat. You need to be brave to dive with a video camera to film the sharks in the sea.
How do you train the sharks at the Sea Life Centre?
We teach them to touch a special button to get food. There is a different button for every species of shark here. Every button is a different colour and has a different pattern on it. The sharks learn to recognise their button and press it with their noses when they are hungry. We move the buttons around the tank so that the sharks learn to follow them.
What does this teach us about sharks?
Many things. It tells us that sharks can understand and remember. They understand that one button means food, although it doesn't look like food. And when we put the button in a different place, they still remember it.
Why do you train the sharks?
Sharks usually stay in groups. We want to teach the sharks to come to special places so that we can study them and check their health. We start by teaching them to come to different places to get food. We have to teach them one thing at a time. Sharks get scared when you try to do lots of things at once.
What other things have you learnt about sharks?
I've learnt a lot about their eating habits and routines. I've also learnt that all sharks have different personalities. One of the young sharks here likes to chase the bigger sharks. She also likes to play with her food. I hope my work will teach people that sharks are not monsters. They are often clever, funny creatures.